This cocktail is called Bon Voyage. We're going to start off by putting our ice in our glass like I have done, and then we're going to do 1 ounce or 1 shot of gin. Woo! Come here, Jigger. Okay, here we go. 1 ounce of gin. Then we're going to do 1 shot or 1 ounce of tequila. Gold tequila works just fine, like so. And now we're going to do a dash or so of blue carousel. So a dash obviously is like an eyeball thing. You just eyeball it. Also, blue carousel isn't that strong. It's like a orange liqueur, but it's a light orange liqueur, so you can add a little bit more. It's not going to be totally potent. It's not going to be like crazy. Okay, and last but not least, a squeeze of lemon juice. I always like to use real lemon juice if I can. Go ahead and throw it in there and mix it all together. Bon Voyage. This would be a good first cocktail on a cruise, I think. This is what your cocktail is going to look like. There you go. You are good to go. Cheers.